Hi guys, this is Aaron Kong-Sacy and welcome to Feeding My Big Loud Family. Our house is the headquarters for the Kong-Sacy family, or K-Fam, for family gatherings and dinners and birthday parties, and we love every second of it. And tonight we are making spring rolls. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it the way I do it. First thing is I love these spring mix, and you can find this at your local grocery store. Last but not least, right? I love veggies, guys. All right, in mine, I love cucumbers and carrots. So I like to use these mini cucumbers. And these can be found at your local grocery stores. Or, I love these too. I love the English cucumbers. You want to cut the cucumbers like this, kind of in this size, and not too long, because when you wrap it, it's easier for you to control. Also, same size for the carrots. Just get your regular carrots, cut about that size, and then just do, I guess, this, and I don't know how to call it, but like this, okay? All right, so just the hot water from your faucet, okay? And for me, I like to use the Three Lady rice paper, and these can be found at the local Asian grocery store. And I would soak the rice paper. It's quick. Just soak it in real quick. Okay, just in and out. And then place it on the cutting board, or you can use a plate. Like the rice paper is softened. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, see, like it sticks up. And you don't want this. Okay, let's just do it again. A new one. Soak it in real quick. So it's about a tablespoon for now, and stir it into like the water. Okay. You want to dilute the peanut butter. Okay. And you can add more, which I am doing. The water is about a cup. Okay. I like to add in with hoisin sauce, and these can be picked up at your local Asian grocery store. About 2 tablespoons of that. But I'm adding 1 for right now for taste, and then you can do more. So now it has this kind of dark, and this is the thickness that I like mine to be. You can make this thinner if you want, but this is my my thickness that I like to have. All right, let me taste. Oh gosh, so good. My sauce is done, and I like mine with sriracha sauce, or we say silasa. That is sriracha, and add it in. Ooh, it is so good, guys. Absolutely amazing. The crunch, the carrots, the cucumber, the herbs. All right, I hope you guys enjoy what I did. Let me know what you want to see next time. But I'll be doing a weekly video on what I cook at home to feed my big Lao family. But tonight, thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.